Variable valve timing solenoids, or VVT solenoids, are a small yet critical component within a vehicle's variable valve timing, or VVT system. A VVT system, which reduces vehicle emissions output and increases vehicle performance, uses engine oil as a hydraulic fluid to physically change the position of the camshaft, which changes when the valves open and close. The camshaft position sensors monitor this movement and report it to the Engine Control Module, or ECM, which ensures the VVT system is functioning as designed. A VVT solenoid is a valve that is controlled directly by the ECM and is opened and closed using electricity. VVT solenoids act as a gate that blocks engine oil flow when closed and allows it to flow when opened. While a vehicle can have up to 4 VVT solenoids on an engine, modern engines typically use 1 per camshaft. The primary reason why VVT solenoids and the VVT system have issues is related to engine oil. That's because engine oil is no longer simply a lubricant. It also acts as a hydraulic fluid to move the cam phasers. This makes both the oil level and viscosity important. If the screens on either side of a VVT solenoid become plugged by metal or sludge, further diagnosis is recommended to prevent repeat VVT failures. Their location, mounted directly to the engine, can also contribute to the electrical component failing because of heat and vibration. The most common symptoms of failure for VVT solenoids stuck in the open position include running rough, misfires, and stallouts. In the event of a solenoid that is stuck closed, the engine won't perform as well as it should and the emissions output will be higher. The ECU will also stop commanding it to open and flag a trouble code. Carquest Vehicle Solutions VVT solenoids are built by manufacturers using extensive research, testing, and validation to ensure that they can stand up to corrosion, temperature fluctuations, vibration, and movement. Here's how. The solenoid bodies are precision machined and honed, ensuring proper valve movement and sealing. In some cases, hard coat anodizing is also used to help extend the solenoid's life. Fine mesh screens installed on the outside of the solenoid body act as a filter to help trap contaminants that flow through the oil system so they don't damage the solenoid. Internal reed valves are installed to prevent oil from draining out when the engine is off, ensuring proper lubrication of the VVT solenoid on engine startup. If needed, non-removable bolts or hardware and sealing gaskets are included to make installation easy. To deliver optimal performance and long life, Carquest Vehicle Solutions VVT solenoids undergo a variety of electrical, thermal shock, corrosion, and vibration tests. By testing above and beyond what they would experience on a vehicle, they can more than handle the extreme temperatures, vibration, and harsh environments a vehicle sees. As a complete engine management line that's committed to design, engineering, manufacturing, and testing, Carquest Vehicle Solutions is your trusted source for quality parts.